Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your English class and our today's topic is from Buzzword book, Unit 1, Reading Done. So let's start our class. Students, please look at the board. I will show you the book today. Just look here, this is the first unit and there are some type of actions here, okay? Some people, some boys and girls are just doing something and their action is mentioned here. The first one is, just please look at the board. Students, look at the book. The boy is standing here. Okay, this is an action. Here the boy is sitting. This is also an action. The girl is walking here. So this is also an action, and here the girl is running. So standing, sitting, walking and running, actually these are different types of actions. Okay, so let's go to the next page. This is the next page. Just look here. Here also we can see different types of actions. The first picture, just look here, the boy is jumping here. The boy is jumping. The girl is skipping. Here the boy is dancing. The boy is singing. And the girl is sleeping here. So here jumping, skipping, dancing, singing, sleeping. Actually all these are different types of actions, okay, that people do in different times. Now go to the next page. Here also swimming, laughing. The boy is swimming here. The girl is laughing. This girl is crying here. The boy is eating a mango. And the girl is here reading a book. So swimming, laughing, crying, eating and reading. All these are also different types of actions. Okay, students? That people do in different times, various times. Okay, now go to the next page. Here are also different types of actions. Okay, just look at the picture. What is the man doing here? He holds a pen and writes something on a paper. So he is writing a letter. Okay, so writing is here an action. And here the girl is drinking milk. The girl is here drinking milk. So drinking is also an action. Now go to the next picture. The boy is climbing a tree. The boy is climbing a tree. So here climbing is an action. And now go to the next picture. The girl is playing cricket. So here playing is also another action. So writing, drinking, climbing and playing, all these are different types of actions. Now students, come here. This is page number 5. Just look, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, total 8 pictures and 8 words are printed here. And we have to match the pictures with these words. Okay? From the two sides, there are total 8 pictures and we have to match the pictures with the words. The words are dancing, crying, playing, swimming, writing, eating, climbing, reading. I have already done this for you. The first one, just look here, the monkey is climbing a tree. So what's the monkey doing? Its action should be just matched with the word. Climbing, just look here, this is climbing. So we have to match these words with the picture. Now the boy is eating. So here eating, we have to match the picture with the words. The boy is crying. So we have to match this picture, this action, this crying action with the word crying. The old lady is reading a book. So we have to match this picture with reading. Now come here, this is the man is swimming. So we have to match this action with the word swimming. So match here. The girl is dancing. So just match this action with the word dancing. Now she is writing something. So we have to match this action with the word writing. And the last one is some boys are playing. So we have to match this picture with this word. Now go to page number 7. Okay, there are different types of words that rhyme together, like a ring, a king, a wing, a swing, singing. Okay, these words have different types of meaning, but they rhyme the same actually. That's why ring, a king, a wing, a swing, and singing. Okay, they actually rhyme together. And now go to page number 8. Just look here. This girl says the boy to jump, and the boy is actually jumping. Okay, so here jump is also an action. Okay, students, this is all for today. Now I am telling you about your homework. Your homework will be making words with letter from A to F. Okay, making words with letters A to F. And you have to submit this homework on Saturday. Okay, students, stay safe, stay care. Allah Hafiz.